Hello friends, welcome to Akulmek Live. I'm Kanchan Verma, and today in this episode we are discussing about media relation. PR is a performance recognition and how media relation plays a vital role in media relation activity. Stick around to this episode till the end to know more about it.
Friends, have you ever wondered that making a lasting impression online is similar to landing on the moon? If yes, we have a solution for you. Akulmek Genius program will help you prepare for your upwards trajectory towards success in the digital world. Our program consists of 12 unique tailor-made sessions of 1 hour each spread over 6 weeks. Akulmek Genius program provide you practical knowledge about how to optimally use online video platform with lights, action, camera as well as crash course in using virtual screens. The program also includes a session on the grooming and online etiquettes which are important for running your online sessions and webinars. At the end of the program, our participants would be allowed to make their own videos, which will be published on a very popular business channel called Akulmek Live. This will provide global recognition to all our participants. If you like what you hear, then using the link in the description below, join the program straight away or visit www.akulmek.com and click on Genius program to know more.
Welcome back, friends. And today we have a guest, Ritu Gupta, who is a PR professional, and we will be discussing with her about media relations and why media relations are so important. So, welcome to the show, Ritu. How are you doing today?
Absolutely fine. Thank you, Kanchan, and feeling very fine and happy to be again back to your show.
It is always lovely to talk to you, and then you also give a lot of information about especially the PR industry and how to be a good PR professional, since you have a very a vast span of experience in public relations. So today I would like to ask you, what is this media relation?
Media relations is the most important aspect, one of the important aspect, and the most important aspect of public relations. So, public relations cannot exist without having media relations. So, a public relation executive, a public relation practitioner, or a PRO working anywhere in any organization for an individual for anything has to have good relationship in the media, whether it's print media, it is satellite media, it is any form of media. You have to have good relations because it is the media which gives publicity to your thinking, to the project you have undertaken, the PR person has undertaken. So it is a very important thing to have relations with media because it is the media which gives you the publicity. It is the media which gives you the kind of publicity you're looking out for. So you should know various people in media, be in touch with them, talk to them, send them your press releases, invite them for your press conferences, invite them for the press visits. So this is how you maintain media relations.
Well, for a layman, I guess media relation is contacting mediums of communication like radio, newspaper, television, even today like social media. Now, what are those tactics where we can apply for any launch or for any company who want to create awareness about their product or services? So, what are those tactics one can follow?
Okay, so any person who's looking out for any kind of publicity, the company should have one PR person who has specialized in media relations. That PR person has to have media record, media list, where they have the name of the people working in TV channel, where they have the names, the list of the people working in newspapers, magazines. People especially looking out for the social portals, the media portals. You should have the list of these people. Keep talking to them, sending them emails, inviting them to your organization. And when you are organizing any kind of publicity through press conferences, you invite those people. So maintaining media relation, first of all, you should know that who is working in which media house, what is the job of that person, who is there in the input department, who is there in the output department also, the right people. If your product is about, let's say if it's a political thing, then you should know who's covering the political beat, the political journalist. If it's about health, then you should know who's the person who looks after the health journalism, talks about the health. Then same goes for other verticals also. So those are the right people who to whom you give your press releases, invite them for into your organization. They are the people who are going to write and give your news to various media. So this is media relations.
Well, now the question arises: what is difference between giving an advertisement and creating a media toolkit? Oh, sorry,
Okay, so giving
media relation.
Okay, so advertising is a hardcore sales form. Everything is paid for. It's a paid form of publicity where you want people to see your product, buy your product. You design a creative on various medias because you want to sell out your product. But in public relations, we do not sell the product, whereas we make an image about the product. We make an image. For example, I just want to give you one example. When Prime Minister Narendra Modi became Prime Minister in 2014, in 2010 only his public relation work was being created where people were talking about Leher, Achhe Din, all those kind of things. So what were they doing? They were creating a platform, they were creating an image about a person, whereas in 2014, the final thing was done. So in the same manner, when we talk about any new product being launched, for example, now you can take your self-test of COVID sitting at home. There is one particular product you have to buy that costs around 200 rupees from the chemist, and you can take your COVID test at home. So for that, the image was already being created during the second wave of COVID, that we don't get time to go out to the doctors. What do we do? Do we have something where we can test ourselves, do the self-COVID test sitting at home? Now the product is launched. And I do see Mr. Akshay Kumar being the brand ambassador and selling out the product. Now that is advertising. But before that, before advertising, the PR work goes on. And PR and advertising, as we say in our industry, they are like husband and wife, always going out together.
Well, definitely, because PR plays a very important role when we have to pitch in and or we have to create a mind share, and eventually that turns into footfalls in any of the product or services arena. Now, there's a age of social media. So, what has changed
Yes.
in this industry? When how
A lot has,
how
yeah.
social media is being taken care and is acting as a tool for public relations.
Yes, a lot has changed in public relation industry because public relation industry was based on personal meetings. Meeting, going out, meeting your clients, meeting the prospective clients, you giving your, letting people know that you are present in the market by personally being present on various events. But now we can't do that. It's not really possible. Most of the people are refraining. So those things are being done digitally, online. We are having online press conferences also. We are having online events also where different people are being invited. So, as you said, the social media, this is the new vertical for public relation industry. And it's one of the very strong vertical to work upon, a very strong tool of public relation because speaking, reading, writing were tools, but now the social media is one of the tools. And it is a very strong add-on tool to satellite channels, newspapers, radio. I mean, the print media and the broadcast media, this is the very strong add-on tool. So the PR people, they have to learn to use various kind of, computers, various kind of apps. They should know that how to promote their products, services, and idea through these social media. If you really want to be successful, you have to learn all these things in today's time.
So, any media relations you have done lately where you want to show that this is how we have worked with the product or any
Okay.
services?
Okay, so I will discuss about it because this was an event just before the COVID started into 2020 in February. So what we did, we have a client and he wrote a book about himself, an autobiography, an industry. So he wanted the book launch. So the book was the product and he wanted the book launch. So what I did, we did a function for him in the Shangri-La Hotel, Delhi, and where we also organized an award function to go along with the book for the upcoming new entrepreneurs. So there we had to invite the media people because you do any kind of event, any kind of function, it is not successful if you do not have media writing about it, media talking about it. So the different media people were invited and the award function took place, and after that there was a question and answer round about his book and also the work that person does, being an industrialist. So he has various industries, clothing industry, he's into clothing industry. So what is the work he was doing? So in a way his book got publicity and also he himself, his business got the publicity. So you have to invite the media people. For that you have to do a lot of work, that you have to prepare the press kit and what you're going to brief the media about. A briefing session has to be done before the event so that the media knows what exactly is going to happen. They also get time to prepare the questions. They also get to see the event, and the food is a very important part. When any event function takes place, the food is an important part, and you have to be really nice host to the media people so that when they go back, they write good about you. And when the event gets over, the media people, they go back immediately. You have to send them the pictures of the event also, so that when they publish their news, the news is published with the pictures of the event.
Well, Ritu, as usual, it is so wonderful to talk to you today and know about media, how it works, and what are the benefits of keeping a good media relations. And as we discussed last episode, that this is a woman's place where women thrive when they join public relations. So we'll keep talking about this wonderful topic, public relation and public relation industry in our next episode. Till then, bye-bye and take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.